Hey guys, Michael J. Solar here with another unboxing. In today's unboxing, we are featuring Blue9 Pet Products' new Propel platform. This platform is, I'm absolutely blown away by it. It's an inflatable platform to teach your dog's place, balance, and so many different things. It's a huge advantage in the dog training industry. I'm so excited that they sent it to us. We're going to be able to utilize it for all of our different dog training needs here at Blue9 Canine. So I really suggest checking out Blue9 Pet Products and getting yourself a Propel. If you are also interested in all the capabilities, check us out at BLK9MD and you'll see all of our different Facebook posts as we continue to use these and challenge all the dogs that we have here in training. We'll see you in the next unboxing.